Today I'm making blueberry waffles and I'm using spelt flour. I'm using the Dash Mini waffle maker. You can find it at the link in the description. This is my homemade sesame milk. You can watch a video on how to make your own sesame milk at home right here. Or you could just use regular spring water. I have the waffle iron heating up, so it's ready to go now. I'm just gonna pour the batter in. And I'm gonna just put a few blueberries on top before I close the lid. And then I'll make another one. Without the blueberries. So I did 2 waffles with the blueberries in them, and I did 1 waffle without, and then I just put a few blueberries on top of all of them, and I'm gonna sprinkle some agave on it. These all came out very well, but the ones with the blueberries and the batter take a little bit longer to cook because it takes a little bit longer to cook the blueberries down.